Today I'm going to be showing you a cheap and effective way to make 3 sensory trays using animal pasta, lentils and children's play sand. Here we're going to be using 4 bags of 1 kilogram red lentils. We're going to be using 5 bags of 350 gram animal shaped dried pasta. Everything is gluten free, by the way. And the last one is a 20 kilogram bag of children's play sand. We're only going to be using half of that. First step today is getting the trays out of the unit. Now I picked this set up from Kmart for about $30 and it's definitely good enough for what we're doing today. I'll be starting with the lentils, putting that one in the first tray, smooth it out and then onto the next one. We now have our animal shaped dried pasta. Now obviously you don't need to have animals, I just thought the kids would really enjoy it and it's a bit more fun. Last but not least we have our children's play sand. Now this is going to be a whole lot messier and definitely heavier, so I recommend placing this tray right at the bottom. If you find that your child's getting quite bored of these 3 materials that we've used today, then feel free to use the creativity and imagination and mix it up using things like marbles, buttons, slime, Play-Doh. So you can be really creative here and find different materials. Now, as you can see, I'm a bit of a hypocrite here. I did say for the sand tray to go at the bottom, but what I found is if you get a strong enough cabinet, it won't really matter what material you use, as long as it's not too heavy, like concrete or something, obviously. As you're about to see, it doesn't affect the sliding capability of it. It works just fine.